Hello. In this video, you will learn how to create a refinement policy. A refinement policy allows you to conditionally or dynamically enrich the source hostname for events. This is the first policy that is applied for enriching events. In addition to enriching the source hostname, you can also enrich event slots used for looking up topology information in BMC Dynamic Service Modeling. How does a refinement policy help? It enables you to enrich events ahead of the other event policy phases and allows enriching lookup slots. Event enrichment provides additional information or more accurate information about the problem, enabling operators to address issues faster and more efficiently.
How is this policy different from other enrichment policies? Basic, advanced, and time-based enrichment policies do not allow you to enrich the source host name. Only the refinement policy enables you to enrich the source host name because it needs to be enriched at the first level ahead of the other policy phases and is used further for entity enrichment. In addition to the host name, you can also enrich slots that are used to look up topology information. Let's look at a use case. Suppose you want to change the host name in the event by parsing the event message. A database monitoring solution is running on server A. The incoming event from server A reports a database problem on another host, server B. In this scenario, you want to enrich the host in the event message with server B where the actual database problem is reported by parsing the event message. Now, let's start building a workflow for this use case. Click Configuration, and then select Event Policies. And then click Create. Let us enter some basic policy information. First, enter the policy name. Precedence helps you decide the priority of the policy. The lower the number you choose, the higher the precedence. For this demo video, we'll keep this unchanged. Next, specify the event selection criteria. This criteria is the first filter that determines which incoming events are selected for further processing. Our first condition is to select the events coming from server A that report a database problem on server B. Let's specify the condition. Now we select the policy type as refinement. On this screen, you can conditionally enrich the host name in events by using the variable, if, or enrich actions. You can also enrich multiple host names by importing the required data in an external CSV file by using dynamic enrichment. First, we parse the event message. For this, let's add a variable action. Specify the label. Specify the variable name. Now, specify the variable value. Click Apply. On parsing the event message, we calculate the message length. For this, let's add the next variable action. Specify the label, variable name, and variable value. Click Apply. Next, to retrieve the host name from the event message, let's add another variable action. Specify the label, variable name, and variable value. Click Apply. Now, to enrich the host name, let's add an enrich action. Specify the label. Select the slot to enrich. Note that event slots for an advanced enrichment policy are also listed for enrichment. Specify the value. Click Apply. Click Save. Enter a meaningful policy summary to help you understand the conditions added to the policy workflow. And click Apply. Here you can see the policy summary for an action. Note that you cannot add multiple configurations for a refinement policy. Now, enable the policy. Click Save. You can see the policy on the Event Policies page. Now, let us see if the policy is applied to events. Note the value of the host in the event before the refinement policy is applied. Go to the Events page and open an event that has arrived after the policy was enabled. In this event, you can see that the host value has changed to server B. Now that you know how to create a refinement policy, you can create different workflows based on your use cases. You can also use REST APIs to manage refinement policies. For more information, click the documentation link in this video's description.
Thanks for watching.